convert Ethereum to USDT on Binance. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to convert Ethereum to USDT on Binance. To do this procedure, first thing first, make sure that you are connected to an internet service. Then next thing what you have to do is go ahead and open up your Binance application. Now make sure that your account is verified already, and then to begin with the procedure, you have to go ahead and log in, and then from the home page you have to go ahead and click on the convert tab. So here you could just go ahead and press on the profile or icon from the top right, and over here you could find the convert option. So what you can do is basically you could go ahead and find out the USDT on the home page. When you locate USDT, you just have to go ahead and click on spot. After that, you type in USDT. When you locate USDT, press on it. Unfortunately, I haven't enabled it, so there isn't a USDT in my account. I'm gonna use different coin, so I'm gonna go with this one. Here you'll be able to see the convert, buy, sell and transfer as well. I haven't actually verified my account, so the interface will be quite different. So just go ahead and follow the prompt, and with that you'll have successfully completed the steps. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.